A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. At last, this beautiful day has arrived. I am sure you all have been eagerly waiting for this day. That is Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on the 2nd of October to mark the birth anniversary of the most prominent leader of the Indian independence struggle, who is none other than Mahatma Gandhi. The equation that is seen on the screen, that is self reliance plus peace, forms the most beautiful soul, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Knowing more about Mahatma Gandhi is also important at this occasion. Mahatma Gandhi had so many qualities in him. He believed in non-violence. The man who is followed by millions of people, the man who protested with peace, the man who fought against untouchability, the man who made us celebrate independence. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on the 2nd of October in the year 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. He was considered to be a versatile person. He proved to be a successful Indian lawyer, a politician, social activist, and a writer who became the leader of the nationalist movement against the British rule. The name Mahatma Gandhi is now one of the most universally recognized personality on earth. Now let us take a peek into the life of Mahatma Gandhi. There were many challenges in Gandhi's life. In fact, his whole life was a challenge. The reason to this was his belief, especially during his movements and hunger strikes. He was married at the very tender age of about 13 years to a 14-year-old Kasturba. There were also many accomplishments, such as the four that are listed on the screen. He fought against racial discrimination in the country called South Africa. Mahatma Gandhi won his first battle of civil disobedience in India at Champaran. He accomplished a march from Sabarmati to Dandi Sea to collect salt in the protest of the British Salt Tax. And finally, in the year 1947, India won its independence from the British rule. Here we could see the entire life of Gandhiji in a single screen, right from being a child, then stepping into marriage, after which he was in a firm profession. Then in India, he started working as a social activist, as the picture clearly shows, when Gandhiji was carrying on a non cooperation movement. His assassination has always been a shock to every Indian citizen. With due respect and honor, we still look forward to many Gandhis in India. We construct statues signifying his important role in our country. A beautiful quote mentioned here is, "There is no God higher than truth," quoted by Mahatma Gandhi. What we get to learn from is the truth is rarely pure and never ever simple. This quote is very prominent not only in India but also in the entire world. Live as if you were to die tomorrow and learn as if you were to live forever. Let us each one of us include this in our day to day lives. An eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. Something that not only Indians, but in many parts of the world, this message is always looked forward. Something that each one of us must know is October 2 is of great national importance for our country, that is India, as on this day, two great leaders were born on the Indian soil. Mahatma Gandhi, who we call as the pioneer of Indian freedom struggle, and Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India. With their selfless service to the nation, they always continue to inspire everyone. Mahatma Gandhi is still one of those inspirational warriors who believed in peace and humanity. Some values that are taught by the father of our nation are put up on the screen: self discipline, simplicity, learn from mistakes, faith in self, peace, and harmony. Let us all remember to inculcate these values in ourselves for the betterment of our country. Gandhi's three proverbial monkeys. I'm sure you all have been aware of this. These are the three monkeys whose names are Mizaru, who sees no evil, Kikazuru, who hears no evil, Ivizaru, who speaks no evil. Prayer from the heart can achieve what nothing else in the world can. Again quoted by a father of our nation. A small prayer in remembrance of the father of our nation. Dear Lord, we would like to express our feeling of gratitude for blessing us with such brave and sacrificing leaders like Gandhiji. May each and every Indian citizen inculcate the value of leadership, simplicity, and to follow the path of truthfulness. We ask this in your most holy faith. Thank you.